Nanse muha sa uko social media nipa ba kwa na wo trendy ho Ghana phone bebre na edi ne ho komo e ka ne ho asem enye obi ase maame ani din e the Empress Gifty adoye ebusuafo so uko social media na so na sa uko kutie nsema ekoso e wo honom ni nyina emu ane se Ghana phone bi e chiro mu nsem mo nte ase se nansen ubebe mu pa na gospel musician na se gospel musician na efi wojinemu na nimpokua no just no ye we no di agro e ho e social media user bebre na na twe say omofa phone esi omini me bi kasa chiri mu say na gospel musician we dey say they were losing the value and then say ye show kura ye mfre no e ma ne nko so be bo show no ankasa ni program organize bi mu mpo be chiri mu a na nsin ono ni kunu aware ani mu egu eni tu onko back no onko pa ni kunu sofo na chew ene ada de busa form insen bebre ene begu social media na so ene ade ni nyina mu ane se omo chiro mu nse mu a the way Empress eye ne ho no omo nte ase anase omo ene no enya adwen ebusua mpanyifo se nso etai aponchireni a waje wo na kire se na me no ka se de Empress enya age wo Empress ajiwo ni nyina mu ane se wo ba abontin na busuafo wo ba no wamba na ho gro so nemum ebufuo ene nnome ene wo besa na igu wana kire se nantin uko social media so a no wodidi na tem na obi amufi asem kromo nkan wieye na omo chene de we a ombo ne bra omo chene de we onye ne niam omo chene de we ototo ne niam na busuafo ena me no ka se de Empress buafu yie papa because o kire ni nsem mu a obi biara obeba ababeka ne ho nsem to de pay views or de pay likes na ade a kire se mo gu n'anim ase wo ho ne de abusuafo no me no ayade eche nkuru yenko ne yenkohwe insana yenkoti insema Empress ade tuudwa
opiti yaba na firi wonum wo kan wo wo 2 cedi credit no ene wo 1 cedi credit no asa munya no de betena social media na mu dini patam a aya sabi wo chine ho kase ana nipa we kura wo ye mebusuani wo ye me sister wo ye me maame wo ye me papa ana ade we kura ka metumi aka a kire nana wo a wonima wo befa me Empress asema wo betro enye ne kore na betro afa me ho wo soro agrada no wo soro prada ntintu ufie wo a wonima wo beje me hu sika 1 cedi e wo Facebook TikTok or in the name of likes wo beje Empress Gifty upon one do ye mimi sika wo beje di hey me catch your sister tie me bra tie me se kom de wo apadwum na koye na bi wo fie susu kan se wo tena wo fie esopa wo bi e bia na wo de wo fie wo adwamanbo wo de mamefo mpanyin sugar mummies na wo fa empie ye eya na mo ska enda mo redi ye ho na wo suma se na eya mutumi kanipa ho eto nipa ho edini patam out of ahoya no ana mo de na eya na ebeyi ana se eye susu na ye ham mese susu kan e bi wo fie susu se wo ka obi asam
yesan so mama kwa ba bi e twa ye ho sima ene ye ba ye so back to impotwe ana ye twetwe no Mr. Poku ye nim se MPP party no eso and bebi no say enkabo mu nim ayese wachi bi wo mu if you are elected what are you going to do to make sure that there is unity in the party? Because last time Greater Accra Minister said Kofobi Kra wo na seniade. They are all party members.
And here busuan bi amansumo busuan amansumo no na nya busuan say baby a nipa mienu anam yensa bi hia no obi a so na dwene ba ebi od na dwene betudwa na ebi a ofu se we nya de opa eno no e de wenchi ba eno nkyere say party there's no unity say at large you go through processes. This coming week you be national delegate conference. If you see national leaders we support you we but the air fair they say see we are once you nyina ya baako na ya supporting nipa baako after sa conference we no delegate conference no after now new executives ye polling station executives ye new ward ye electoral area coordinators ye patrons ye constituency executives ye regional executives ye national executives na afi omu nyinaa akambo na ye national executive committee na afi mpanimfo atena ase adwendwene party ne ho for the next 4 years. Na afi omu de aba da ben ne be primaries most likely no next year ebia October November ho baby and omu de be hye. And no eso be start we be ka so oh me pekuju poku we be ka so da bi me pewei ni nyina no ya adwenkyere adwenkyere ni hia because ye nyina ye kyere ya adwene ama Ghana fo ahu se ye no so no ye wo adwempa bi epese di bu man no eno nkyere se ye ko ana se obi etan obi after you be ye papa ana ye me ana obi a ye be na obi di partner ni no ye nyina ye be ba ko agi nipa na chi ntina mfu say in any organization nipa more than 2-3 women no yes there is always a fight within, but it's a healthy fight. Okay. Yen tokwa enyadepa. Yen tokwa did the best never. Eba
party. All right. So, Ghana currently we are in crisis, baby, economic crisis in the door. So, if you are elected as a president, what are you going to do to bring us back on track? And now for the people of Ghana to say yes, this is the president we voted for. Yaba, we are on track now. We are no more in economic crisis.
Say. The bia me no maka se ye fapem nye fapem na ni den ye free colonial time say Dr. Sajifo Kwame Nkrumah to me enwie na dwuma na military coup etu no from military coup to military coup to military coup to military coup no yen share that share the eyema Ghana. It was until 92 PNDC really for 20 years Oman to me and fine she be a bit to me a Ghana fapem no as Ginano and Twakwemu. And I started in 92 Nissan 2001. Na a car a buye and you call Hipic. Ya papa Janajakum for a born homoding, you call Hipic, ye kayina chair. But Ubeka say, yes, sign free Hipic buy or new free sono from 2008 till now, no, ya sign. A cano airsamine, a chere say Ghana no, your problem ni the way you see boom mine no, fapem no, enye. Inti babia every sector, health, education, interior, defense, or see change bibia, and that is what I want to do.
All right. Also, if you are elected as a president, is there anything in the constitution you would like to enact or amend?
No, we need to look at the constitution as a whole. It's urgent. And you might know, yet the anoneka, by your band by more, ye the embre, near jadi eternal.